Hey guys, it's Mie. Today I'm showing you Chic daily office makeup. It looks super clean, super effortless, but it is full face makeup. But don't worry though, it only takes 15 minutes. The vibe: light and glowy base, simple but sharp eye look, and juicy nude lip. Let's get started. Alright, so skincare first, but we're gonna fly through this. I always go in this order: toner, essence, moisturizer, sunscreen. Super basic, nothing fancy. If you want the full skincare routine, I'll do a separate video for that. But today, makeup is the star, so let's keep moving. Okay, skincare finished. So, for the base, I use Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. I only need tiny amount. This one is a liquid foundation, so it spread really easily, so I only use tiny bit. I apply with brush first. And I use sponge to finish. And that's it. I like it sheer, one layer, no cakey vibe. Next, blush. I use cream blush in coral shade. And I use my ring finger to tap it. It keeps me healthy and glowy looking. Then I set my base with powder. I use Makeup Forever Micro Finish pressed powder. I set under my eyes and top of my eyelid and T-zone. And last, forehead. It set my makeup, but still keep the glowy looking. Finally, eyes. This is where we make our makeup pops in a soft way. I'm using Peripera's makeup palette. This one is rolling in the autumn. And I only use one color, Sunny Orange, this one. Make it rounded shape, but gradient. Stronger in the eye line, but softer on the top. And I'm gonna give a little more color on the eyeliner line. And other side, same. I'm using a little bit sharp brush to use the triangle line here. Make it connected. For eyeliner, I use Merge. It's been my favorite for a long time. It's really easy to draw and it's really thin, so you can also do well for the edges. I made a very simple eyeliner draw. I put it as a slightly down way because I don't want like cat eye look for the office makeup. And I'm gonna set my eyeliner with the same palette. I use this color. This is maple brown. Just gently tap, tap, tap. When you set your eyeliner like this, it stays longer and also it smudges less. So this is tip. Now the most important part is mascara. I use 3 different mascara. I know it sounds a bit complicated, but trust me, I tested all kind of way that I probably spent a lot of money for mascaras because there's no perfect mascara. So that's the reason I use 3 different mascara, but trust me, it's gonna give you perfect lashes but stay all day long. If you have a monolid just like me, please listen up. A lot of people just like me who has monolid, they have a misunderstanding of if you do your liner like thicker, it makes your eyes look bigger, but that's honestly a little bit of misunderstanding. Thick liner won't make your eyes look bigger, lashes will. Also, the really matter is how you do your curling. First 2 curls, I slightly just curled them. And on the last one, I press root part much stronger, but not like super strong that you're gonna lose all your lashes. I press the root a bit stronger, that gives you extra lift. Let's do this. Oh, and a little bit of tip. I use a bit of powder. Then it's not taking a lot of my eyeliners. First, give a bit of curl. And then lots of curl for the root. Do you see? You can see my eyes already look bigger. And I'm gonna give extra curl for the root. And the other side. Okay, my lashes are ready. Let's do mascara. So first, I use mascara base to set my effort. This is Majorica mascara base. This is mascara base. It set my efforts. And this one, I especially focus on the root to set my curls. Okay, next, I use Paris Volume Curling Ink Mascara for giving extra strength for the root. And for the last one, I use Ultda Curl Fix Mascara. This one is really thin, precise. So I define the shape of edges, which is the tips of lashes. You can see they're really thin. So I only use on the tips. And for the last, let's get some eyebrow. I use Schwemra. This is my all-time favorite eyebrow pencil. It gives you really natural looking. So this whole layering trick, it locks the curl all day and make my eyes look much bigger. This is my trick. And for the last one, you probably saw on the video, I already prepped some lip balm before at the beginning when I'm doing skincare. Now I'm going to put some lipstick. This is my favorite brand, 3CE. They make the best nude color lipsticks. 3CE Soft Matte Lipstick. The color is a warming wear. It's nude, but not too pale, so it gives you enough color on your face. Perfect for every day. Then I layer. This is Lily by Red Tangle Jelly Balm. The color is Africa Jelly Bite. When you first put on, you're gonna feel like kind of uncomfortable feeling, but later it gives you so glossy, make your lips fuller and juicy. I love this combo. And that's it. A full face makeup, chic, wearable, just in 15 minutes. Thin base, focus on eyes, and nude, juicy lip. Perfect for work and perfect for every day. If you like this makeup, please hit the thumbs up. If you want more real life beauty tips from me, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.